Welcome to Bodhivriksha. This video focus on what is revenue model, its types, and its importance. A revenue model is a strategic framework that outlines how a business or project generates revenue from its products, services, or other offerings. It provides a plan or strategy for earning revenue and typically includes information about the different mechanisms of revenue generation and its sources. Revenue models can vary widely depending on the industry, target market, and overall goals of a business. By establishing a clear revenue model, a business can help ensure that it is able to generate the revenue it needs to be successful and sustainable over time. Now the question comes, why it is important for a business to have a revenue model. A revenue model is important for a company's long-term business projections as it gives an overview of the company's current and future revenue streams. By understanding their revenue model, companies can determine which revenue source to prioritize, understand the target customers, and price their products or services effectively. The different types of revenue models includes direct sales model, subscription model, licensing model, advertising model, freemium model, commission model, pay-per-use model, and recurring revenue model. Let's understand these models in brief. The direct sales model is a strategy employed by businesses such as Apple, Amazon, and Walmart, in which customers are charged a one-time fee to purchase a product or service directly from the business. This model is typically used for high-value products or services that are easy to purchase, such as smartphones or books. Because customers only need to make a single purchase, this model can be an effective way for businesses to generate revenue quickly and efficiently. The subscription model is a popular revenue strategy used by businesses such as Netflix, Spotify, and Microsoft Office 365, which involves charging customers a recurring fee for ongoing access to a product or service. This model allows customers to pay a monthly or annual fee to access the full range of features and content, making it a suitable option for businesses that offer consistent value and are able to retain customers over an extended period of time. The licensing model is a revenue strategy utilized by businesses like Adobe Creative Suite and Autodesk, which involves charging customers a fee to use a product or service for a fixed period of time. Typically, customers pay a one-time fee to access the software for a set period, which is often 1 year. This model is particularly effective for businesses that offer high-value products or services that are costly to develop, as it allows them to generate revenue from ongoing use of their products or services. The advertising model is a revenue strategy employed by businesses like Google, Facebook, and Instagram, which generate revenue by displaying advertisements to their customers or users. These platforms offer free access to their services and generate revenue by displaying targeted ads to their users. This model is particularly effective for businesses that have a large user base and can attract advertisers with a specific audience. By offering a targeted audience, these platforms can provide a more efficient way for advertisers to reach their desired audience while generating revenue for the platform itself. The freemium model is a revenue strategy used by businesses like Dropbox and LinkedIn, in which a basic version of a product or service is offered for free, while customers are charged for additional features or upgrades. With this model, customers can use the basic version of the product for free, but must pay to access advanced functionality or additional features. This model is particularly effective for businesses that can attract a large user base with a free offering and monetize their most engaged customers. By providing a free version of the product, businesses can attract a larger audience and gain traction, while generating revenue from customers who value the advanced features and are willing to pay for them. The commission model is a revenue strategy employed by businesses like Uber and Airbnb, where a percentage of the revenue generated by customers is taken as a commission in exchange for facilitating a transaction. In this model, businesses take a cut of the transaction value as compensation for providing a platform that connects buyers and sellers. This model is particularly effective for businesses that can add value by facilitating transactions and reducing transaction costs. By providing a platform that connects buyers and sellers, these businesses make it easier for users to engage in transactions that might otherwise be difficult or costly to complete. In turn, this model can be a lucrative revenue stream for businesses that can build a large user base and generate significant transaction volume. The pay-per-use model is a revenue strategy employed by businesses like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, in which customers are charged a fee based on their usage of a product or service. With this model, customers pay for the computing resources they use, such as storage, processing power, and data transfer. This model is particularly effective for businesses that provide cloud-based services and can offer flexible pricing based on usage. By offering a pricing model based on usage, businesses can provide customers with greater flexibility and control over their expenses while generating revenue based on the actual resources consumed by the customer. In turn, this model can be a lucrative revenue stream for businesses that can provide a scalable and cost-effective cloud-based solution. The recurring revenue model is a revenue strategy employed by businesses such as telecom companies, insurance providers, and gyms, in which revenue is generated on a recurring basis through subscriptions or contracts. Customers pay a recurring fee to access a product or service on an ongoing basis. This model is particularly effective for businesses that can provide ongoing value and have a high customer retention rate. By offering a subscription or contract-based service, businesses can ensure a reliable and predictable revenue stream while providing customers with ongoing access to their products or services. In turn, this model can be a lucrative revenue stream for businesses that can deliver high quality and consistent value to their customers over time. In summary, selecting the appropriate revenue model is a critical step for any business to thrive and remain profitable. With the variety of revenue models available, businesses must assess the most appropriate option based on their unique needs, market position, and pricing strategy. By selecting the right model, businesses can create a sustainable revenue stream, attract and retain customers, and achieve long-term success. Thank you for watching. This video is made for educational purpose. For more videos like this, please follow us on Instagram and YouTube.